24/7 Tech here, and yeah, I know I'm uploading a video the day before the Super Bowl. Yeah, I clearly know about football. Okay, just go Eagles! No, I really don't care. But anyway, today, as you of course saw by the title, sorry for the focus, guys. Okay, sorry. We're going Samsung Galaxy S9. So, just got my Galaxy Note 8 around a month ago. Dang, it's been pretty long already. Around a month ago. And it's been doing good, but the main feature I like is the camera. It's really nice dual lens system paired with Samsung's amazing colors and processing. It's just amazing. The display is awesome, but I was debating over should I wait for the Galaxy S9, and at that point I already knew what I should expect. And now it's launching, well, it's launching on February 25th, 2018. That's around 3 weeks from now, and time flies, so it's gonna be coming out quickly. But we basically know 90% of the things that the Galaxy S9 will be. It's not going to be a design update. Samsung usually tends to do that every 2 years from the past. So I'll explain it to you. Like the Galaxy S3 was not a design change, not that much. You can't really go that back for it, but let's start from the S4. S4 was a design change, sort of, on the back and everything. S5 basically stayed the same, just went a little bigger. S6 though, the glass back, edges, and everything. S7, same design, just better internals. S8, different design, and S9, just better internals and better stuff which is going to be inside than the thing. It's up to personal preference. Some people prefer a better internal powerhouse than a well-designed product, but I just like a well-designed product because it has to feel good when I hold it in the hand. Okay, so when is it going to release? I just told you. It's gonna release on the Galaxy Unpacked event in Mobile World Congress, February 25th. They like doing the Galaxy S launches at the time. Only thing which didn't release at the time was S8, probably because they wanted to extend a little bit because of the battery issues which happened with the Note 7. So we saw it in sometime late March, but this time you're gonna get them nice February 25th, okay? That's already like you're gonna get it, okay? And probably you'll get it to your hands if you pre-order it by mid-March, maybe 15, 16, something like that. Okay, so the Galaxy S9 price. This is, I don't know, it's a little shaky, because we saw the Galaxy S8, which had like a $750 price tag, and the S8 Plus, which with a $850, or I think it's $725 and $825. I don't remember the exact price. Carriers change it all around, so it's so confusing. $725, $825. But then you saw the Note 8 with the $925. So I think it's going to be a little more expensive. But the main thing, the rumors say it's going to be probably just a little increase, like $750 and $850. Basically the same. But in my speculation, I'll get into why I think the S9 Plus will be at least $900, and the S9 will be $750. I'll get to that later. Okay, the specs, just your latest Snapdragon 845 processor, which somehow will take better pictures and video, AI performance, so Bixby. Bixby's actually not that bad, surprisingly. The battery life, same 3000 milliamp hour, 3500 respectively, S9, S9 Plus. XNS processors outside of the US, just your normal stuff. But then, this is the holy grail reason why you would want to buy an S9 over a Note 8 or an S8. The camera. Not even Note 8, just S8. The camera. The S9 and S9 Plus are packed with power horse cameras. Samsung says it themselves. The camera reimagined. So, The S9 will be sort of a little less of an update, so Apple's going in Samsung's going in typical Apple fashion this year. The S9 and the iPhone 8 with the sort of less capable camera, with the iPhone 8 Plus more capable camera. The S9 will feature a single lens camera, but will have super slow-mo and a wider aperture, but some people were talking about a variable aperture system, which is cool because most DSLRs can do it. So when you want a wider field of an effect, you can get it, but when you want a more close-up, more picture type effect, you can get that too, which is really cool, and it would help. And the f1.5 aperture, which is leaked, would really help with the low light photography. It's cool on the note. The low light photography is not phenomenal, but if you turn on the flash and do it, it's fine. It's clear as bad. Okay, but the S9 will only feature a single lens system, so no live focus, but the S9 Plus will feature a dual lens system. There's Samsung's way of separating them apart. It makes sense. The front-facing camera probably will stay the same. I don't think it will really change that much. But the camera is basically the reason why you would want to upgrade your S8 to the S9. The Galaxy S9 might have some bonus features out there. One being the controversial fingerprint sensor. Now with my Galaxy Note, which I'm recording with right now so I can show you, has it next to the camera, but now they're gonna make it a vertical camera, so test clone. Okay, so it's my Galaxy S3 case. I don't even know why. Usually this is how the S8 looks, sort of like that. This is the camera, this is the flash, and this is the fingerprint scanner, right? This is the fingerprint scanner and this is the flash. So it's like this, right? With the S8. No, same thing, just a camera like this and the light, the flashlight and everything switch over to here in the middle of both of them. Same thing. But now, with the S9, not the S9 Plus, it'll be here. The flashlight and stuff will be down here. And connected right where the Samsung logo is will be the fingerprint scanner. So a little easier, better way of doing it. And the S9 Plus, same thing, just a bigger lens down, so fingerprint scanner will be down here. But then it's a bigger phone, so same place. Get it? So it does fix that. It's really cool. And it also is gonna attack Apple's Face ID system by making big improvements to its iris scanning tech and the facial recognition. It's gonna combine both of those technologies to make just a better thing. But it won't be as good as Apple's Face ID probably, but it'll be good enough. And the thing is, it might come over to the software update to the S8 and the Note 8 because they have the same iris scanning fingerprint recognition, facial recognition tech. It's just they have to implement it in a way. It might come in a software update, like with the Android O update. I don't know. Might be. But yeah, that's pretty much it that we know. But now you're asking yourself the question, I already have the Note 8, so I'm not gonna upgrade. I know that for sure. Even if it's a really good upgrade, I already have it. I have the dual lens system and everything. But there are some people who are coming from a Galaxy S8. Is it worth the upgrade? You won't really feel the difference in the hand. It's like the iPhone 7 Plus to the 8 Plus. You don't really feel the difference in the hand. But the camera, yeah, that'll be a major difference. I can tell you that. Fingerprint scanner, if you're the person who really is annoyed by the fingerprint scanner, yeah, I guess. But and the Face ID tech, but it's not really that big of a deal. This update, 2017, year of smartphones. It was the bezel-less trend and everything. It was really revolutionizing. So I'd say you're fine with the S8 Note 8 upgrading to the Galaxy S9. You're not going to really see a difference here. But one thing you might want to be over the horizon for is when the Note 9 comes out. I think somewhere near there, the Galaxy S might peek in with its foldable display. You might want to save your money for that. S9, amazing phone. Cameras, that's the way to go. And, oh yeah, by the way, saving this for the end. Cameras can now record slow motion in 1,000 frames per second in 1080p. Yeah, you heard me right. But they're expecting this to only be for 10-second slow-mo video recording, because that would be just too big of a file to transport. So, but they also include the feature of 1080p at 240 frames per second. So that's the whole reason why I picked the iPhone 8 Plus up too, because the slow-mo is just that good. Like the Note slow-mo is just horrible. I'm telling you, it's horrible. It's a good thing I really don't use slow-mo a lot, but thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you were looking to pick up a Galaxy S9, if you're running a Note, no, you can't ride a Note 7, a Note FE or before, if on Samsung's lineup, yeah, it's a good time to upgrade to the Galaxy S9. I mean, I would have upgraded back in when the S8 released, but I mean, it's a good time to upgrade to the Galaxy S9. This is the complete package. But it does not include the S Pen if you're into that stuff. But if you're coming from an iPhone, let's say 7 Plus or before, even an 8 Plus, this is a good upgrade. Like, period, it's fine. Not even an 8 or an 8 Plus, because that's just a recently released phone. 7 Plus or before. 7 Plus, I don't know, because it has a dual lens system, but it's just the design is so horribly disgusting. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below. How's the video quality? 1440p looks really sweet on my OLED screen right here, but subscribe up there for more amazing content with amazing access, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.